Ephesians 5:8. For ye were sometimes darkness, but now are ye light in the Lord. Walk as children of light. This verse declares that your past no longer defines you. You are not becoming light. You are the light in the Lord. Because of that, your life is meant to reflect His love, truth, and hope wherever you go. Walk confidently, knowing that your light has the power to guide both you and others forward. So live differently, shine brightly, and stand out for Jesus Christ.